My journey into saving money on food. Hello everyone. Today, I want to share some insights I've gained about saving money on food. It's a topic that's become increasingly important in recent times. With food prices rising in many parts of the world, we'll explore effective strategies to manage our food budgets and eat healthily without breaking the bank. Personal reflections on food spending. I must admit, I consider myself reasonably good at managing my food spending. I meticulously plan my meals, ensuring that I buy only the necessary ingredients. This approach helps me avoid impulse purchases and minimizes food waste, which is a significant drain on household finances. However, not everyone finds it easy to control their food spending. Some people tend to visit the supermarket when they're hungry, leading to unplanned purchases, especially snacks and treats. This behavior can quickly escalate food costs and derail even the most well-intentioned budget. The quest for affordable and healthy eating. In today's world, it's increasingly challenging for many people to afford a healthy diet. The rising cost of food has placed a significant strain on household budgets, making it difficult for individuals and families to access nutritious meals. However, there are inspiring initiatives that offer practical solutions to this problem. One such project is called Bags of Taste. This initiative helps people save money on their food shopping, while simultaneously improving their dietary habits. Understanding bags of taste. The phrase bags of something is an informal way of saying a lot of something. So, bags of taste implies that the project offers a wealth of knowledge and resources related to food and cooking. The founder of Bags of Taste, Alicia Weston, observed that individuals with limited financial resources often struggled to afford a healthy diet. She noted that people in poverty are eating the worst diets, and they are getting sicker younger. And we know that diets are the single largest cause of health inequalities in the UK. Alicia realized that a lack of cooking skills and fear of wasting money on unsuccessful experiments prevented people from embracing healthier eating habits. Many believed that healthy food was inherently expensive and time-consuming to prepare. The solution: a comprehensive approach. To address these challenges, Alicia developed a comprehensive program that tackles the various barriers to healthy and affordable eating. She explains. So, ultimately, we've been able to come up with a program that basically can tackle all of these issues. So, what we do now is we deliver all of the ingredients to their door, because ultimately, behavior change starts with actually changing your behavior at home. The adverb ultimately signifies, finally, after a series of events have happened. It emphasizes that Alicia's solution is the culmination of careful planning and problem-solving. The program involves delivering pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes directly to participants' homes. This removes the initial hurdle of purchasing ingredients and reduces the risk of food waste. The word tackle means to try to deal with a problem. Alicia's goal is to tackle the issues that prevent people from eating healthy food on a budget. A supportive community. In addition to providing ingredients and recipes, Bags of Taste fosters a supportive community through WhatsApp groups. Each group is led by a mentor who shares cooking tips, advice, and encouragement. To illustrate how this works, let's take a peek into one of the Bags of Taste WhatsApp chats. Amy, the mentor, sends a message. Remember to put the fridge bag in the fridge. Can we aim to cook recipe 1 by Tuesday evening? Our first recipe, chana masala, is a classic. It needs an onion, which can be a pain to chop. So, try our way. Video posted. The term classic refers to something that is well known and of good quality. Chana masala, a popular Indian chickpea curry, is a classic dish that is enjoyed by many. If something is a pain to do, it means it is difficult or annoying to do. Chopping onions can be a pain because it often causes tears and can be time-consuming. Ally, a participant, responds. Love this method, chef emoji. First time I've chopped an onion like this, and it's so neat and easy. Georgia, another participant, adds, I'm going to cook mine tomorrow. Looking forward to it. Ally later shares her experience. I've finished making my chana masala. I was a bit heavy-handed with the chili. My husband likes a lot of spice, so I'd reduce that next time. If you are heavy-handed with an ingredient, it means you use too much of it. In Ally's case, she added too much chili, making her chana masala very spicy. The benefits of Bags of Taste. Bags of Taste empowers people to learn new recipes, cook healthy food, and save money. The program not only provides practical skills, but also builds confidence and fosters a sense of community. The world's most expensive restaurant. Just for fun, I thought I'd mention the world's most expensive restaurant, Sublimotion, in Ibiza. A meal per person at this restaurant costs around €1,650. That's far more than most people spend on food in an entire month. Key vocabulary recap. Let's recap the key vocabulary we've learned today. Bags of something, mean, a lot of something, ultimately mean, finally, after a series of events, tackle, mean, try to deal with a problem, a classic, mean, well-known and of good quality, a pain to do something, mean, annoying or difficult, to do something, heavy-handed with an ingredient, mean, use too much of an ingredient.